Hi, today it's a beautiful day in Arizona, way out in the northern deserts. Out here's a town called Gray Mountain. There's like 50 to 70,000 roaming horses, wild out there. It's incredible. It's Highway 89, and this takes you all the way up to 4 Points National Monument, where all those states come together: Utah, Colorado, Arizona, and New Mexico. We're stopping here for some fresh fry bread. It's called the Yummy Shack on Highway 89. Isn't that just fantastic? I love this fry bread. This is all Navajo land out here for a long time. There we go. In Cameron, Arizona. Beautiful Yummy Shack. Inside. Doesn't this look really yummy? Holy moly, they got all this great fry bread here. So a giant fry bread is $15 and drinks are $2. Oh, it's $5. Oh, $5. That's even better. And here's what you get. Giant pizza size. Holy smokes. This is powdered sugar, cinnamon,
and honey.
And honey. We're going to rip it apart and give a little taste of this guy.
Fresh made. Made to order. Look at that.
Ooh, what'd you get?
This is honey and salt.
Honey and salt. Okay, well, how's it taste?
Tastes just like you want to taste.
Yeah, it's real crispy. I love fry bread. It's all Navajo stuff. All right. And finally, let's take a bite of yours.
Oops. It's good. Really good.
Honey and salt. That's this one. Look how crispy it is. There you go. That's pretty good. Out here at the Yummy Shack. Thanks for watching. Bye.